Good morning guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be super interesting because I'm going to show you what's in my tech bag for this Taiwan trip. So it's going to be very interesting. Make sure you watch this till the end because I'll be showing all the gadgets, all the smartphones, all sort of tech related stuff I've bought in my bag for this trip. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started with the video, let me tell you this. Till yesterday we were at this place called Beito. It's called New Beito in Taiwan. It's near the city, guys, but yesterday night what happened is we've shifted from there and came to this beautiful outskirts of Taiwan. So this place is called as the Nantao County. Now this is like the outskirts, guys. There's nothing over here, no buildings, no city like thing. It's all mountains, jungle and beautiful lakes. And the hotel I'm staying over here is called as Fleur de Chine. It's a very expensive, very fancy hotel, 4.5 star. So let me first give you a tour of my hotel, then we'll get started with the bag. Let me start from the entrance. So this is the entrance, guys. This is the door, and as soon as you come inside, whoa, look at the room. So nice, right? Okay, let's start from here. So over here we've got a big huge mirror, full size mirror, and below that you even get a weighing scale so you can check your weight. And this one is the wardrobe. It opens up like this. I haven't placed any of my clothes yet because I just arrived yesterday night. I woke up and I took my camera, started vlogging. And this is the hall. So over that side you've got a small dining table, or you can even put your laptop, do all your stuff, check your emails and all that. I was using that place till now. And do you know, these guys even provide a cell phone, your own personalized cell phone with all the features of this hotel. Like you can check out what's the best place over here, best place to visit, what are the best lakes, which place to eat, the restaurants, all that info is over there. Plus there's also their own dedicated service room app. You can request any sort of thing from that phone. It's free to use with the hotel. Cool, right? Okay, you've got a coffee making machine and all that stuff. Looks very nice, very clean. And coming over here, you've got a huge TV, guys. Now I guess this is 75-inch TV, and that too it's Samsung TV. Wow, nice, right? Love the experience. I placed my camera bag over there. And what do we have inside this? Okay, we've got some plates and all those stuff, glasses and all. Yeah. And do you know what this thing is? It's a fridge. Yep, it's a mini fridge. So they've already provided a lot of stuff inside. In the morning I had this dragon fruit juice. It was very delicious. I really loved it, but I couldn't drink this big glass, so I could only drink this much. I'll place the rest for the later. So that was the fridge, and this is my huge king size bed. Just look at it. It's so soft. Nice. Feels awesome. Yeah. Over there you've got a sofa. I've put my luggage and stuff. And going over here you've got the bathroom, the washroom and the balcony. Ta-ta-da! Hello. Very nice. All luxury products are there in this hotel. That's the washroom. And you know guys, what's the best part? It's an automatic washroom, automatic toilet. That means you can completely control water, and plus let me just show you instead of telling all that shit. That is so cool, right? This is the control panel. So using this you can completely control the water flow. Plus it also has a built-in dryer. But everything is written in Chinese. Not a big problem. You can easily understand by looking at the logos. Super cool. That's my balcony. And this is the bathroom. You've got the shower section here and a mini pool. Wow, awesome, huh? Chalo, let me show you the outside view. You will go mad. So this is how the outside view looks like. Oh my god, just look at that lake. So that lake is very famous. It's called the Sun Moon Lake of Taiwan. It's such a beautiful place, and I can see that directly from a balcony. That is awesome. Like, just check out the view over here. Wow, it's so nice. I just love this experience, man. So you even have a chair like thing, so you can sit, sip your coffee and enjoy the view. Amazing, right? So we are right now at the 9th floor, which is the highest in this building. So this building is actually located at the top of a hill, like a mountain. You see all those mountains, jungle and all that. So we are right now on top of some sort of mountain. While coming also, you had to go through like this. It was awesome. So this is not the city, guys. You won't be seeing much buildings, just some luxury hotels. That's it. So that is one more hotel over there. Okay, so that was our balcony view of this beautiful Sun Moon Lake. Now let's get back to the main topic. Let me show you what's in my tech bag for Taiwan trip. Okay, let me turn around the camera. So here is my tech bag, guys. This is my tech bag. The bag I'm using is from Suit. It's the Verdiator. I've already reviewed this on my channel. Now I'm using this because this is the biggest tech bag I have right now, so I can accommodate a lot of stuff in this. The other ones were a bit small, that's why I didn't use them. And plus it's also very comfortable. The backside is padded nicely, so you won't even feel that of stress while wearing it. That's the reason I bought this. Okay, so let's start from there. Why don't we do this in the balcony so you'll get a better view, right? Okay, let's do it over here. Now this is awesome. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me open up the sections one by one and show you what do we have on the inside. First, let's start with the back section. Okay, let's open it. This is the main compartment of the bag. And as soon as you open it, I've got my laptop over here. Sorry about the papers, those are my tickets, documents. Yeah, ta-da. This is my laptop. This is the ROG Scar 2 from Asus. Superb gaming laptop. The one I have is the i7 variant, powered by 1060, so it's also good for gaming as well as editing on the go. The only thing is it's a bit heavy, but again you can compromise that for the performance, Amazing laptop, and I want to thank Asus for sending me this because I needed this for the trip for editing on the go, Computex videos, and for that reason Asus sent me this laptop. So yeah, thanks Asus for this. It was very helpful and super useful for my trip. That was about the laptop. Let me keep it aside. I've already reviewed that, by the way. You can check it out on my channel. So what else do we have? Yes. So this is my smartphone gimbal. It's a 3-axis gimbal from FiuTech. It's a quite popular model. This is a Vimal 2. I guess you already know that because I've reviewed this as well on my channel. Yeah. So this is my Vimal 2. Amazing gimbal. What's the special thing about this is, and why I bought this for the trip is, it also extends like this, selfie stick cum gimbal. That's the best part about it. So you can also take good selfies in case you came alone. Plus it's also gimbal, so you can even control it and get shake-free shots. Awesome gimbal. I really love it. Yeah, that was about the gimbal. Let me put it aside. And along with that, in this back section, I just got my laptop's adapter and a mains cord for charging the laptop. That's it. There's nothing else in the back section, so let me zip it up and show you what do we have in the other compartments. Okay, now let's get to the second compartment, which is present on the front side. Let me show you the smartphones that I'm carrying for the trip. This is my primary phone. This is a Galaxy S9 Plus. It's got great camera, so I use this as my primary phone. I've been using it since a long time. You guys might already know that. And my second phone is a Galaxy M30. I'm using two SIMs. One is Asus one, which they provided Taiwanese SIM card for unlimited 4G data, and the second one is my personal number. So those are the phones, and I'm carrying two power banks in my bag. Both are quick charge 3.0 power banks. This one has a quick charge port and one normal port. It's a QC 3.0 power bank, 10,000 milliampere, and this one is from Stuff Cool. Even this is 10,000 milliampere, but both the ports on this power bank support quick charge. Yeah, so these are what I'm carrying with me. And what else? I've got some pens and papers in case who knows, you might need them anytime at airport. And yes, this is let me show you the mouse. I'm using Corsair's Harpoon RGB wireless mouse, to connect it with my laptop while either playing games or while editing my videos. Very nice mouse, compact, works well, and great for travel. Well, that's pretty much it, I guess. No, we've got one more section over here. Yeah, I've got a pair of earphones. These are not expensive ones because I once lost my earphones on a trip, and after that I never carry expensive earphones like my Bose or Sony headphones. I use some cheap ones, not that cheap also, like 2,000-3,000 range ones, because even if I lose them or forget them at somewhere, I won't feel that bad that I lost something very expensive. Yeah, and it's a charger, guys. It's from Blitzwolf. It's got two normal ports and one QC 3.0. Yeah, that was about the charger. And I've got a lot of different cables and stuff. Type C to Type C, there's a normal Type C, and one is a micro USB, and all that cables and stuff. And yes, this is a very important thing. It's my packet of spare extra SD cards. I've got SD cards as well as micro SD cards. So I shoot a lot of videos, right? I need a lot of storage. So I carry this compulsory because I've already filled up like 2 to 3 cards till now, and I still need more. That's why I carry always this in my bag. Very helpful. So we've got a lot of SD cards, and that's it over here. So yeah, in this section, what do I have? I've got a medical kit. All my medicines, in case if I fall sick on my trip, I've got everything to help me out. Well, that's it. Oh, I also have a packet of biscuits. Well, that's it for today, guys. These are all the items that I carry in my tech bag. With these items itself, my bag was almost full, so I couldn't carry much items. Well, but that was all I need. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to see all the products that I carried for this trip. And I hope you all really liked this video. So make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.